So I need 1 cup of chicken stock and 1 cup of wine, right? So since it is together, I'm gonna measure it together, 1 cup and 1 cup. My recipes, well, I mean not all of them, but whenever I cook with wine, normally I do the same amount of wine as the same amount of stock. This works for me. So 1 and 1, and then my sauce for 1. Okay. You see, you know that the ranges, they all have different BTUs. Did you know that? So there's always one range that works faster than the others. That has more heat. So you just have to know your stove. And this one is the one that is leaving me behind. One's cooking faster than the other. A little bit. So you can do this in the morning. Okay. We do that now. And I can wash this from you. Potatoes. ¿Me pones estas papas aquí? Because I need that. A little bit of. It did say 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I didn't use them all. So this is a very fast dish. I know we've been here for a while, so you think it's long, but this is really fast. So take one. Okay, this is cooking faster. So you want them to be translucent, cooked a bit, not brown. You don't want them to brown. You guys can come here if you want. Yes, thank you. I'll take a look at it. It can be an interactive class. So this is almost ready. There we go. Now, the shallots are soft. These ones are starting to brown, so that's it. I don't want them to brown. I'm going to add my chicken stock and my wine. And I am going to add the chorizo pieces. Okay, so half of the chorizo pieces. Some are stuck. Not good. There. Okay. No, go ahead.
I get a good close-up on you right then.
Yeah. Then go ahead.
Okay.
I'm going to prepare the other cup of chicken stock and wine. Normally this has 4 cups of chicken stock, so that you know what to expect.
You need some more drink?
No, actually we're good. Okay, so I'm going to add them on this side too. Another chorizo. Okay, so now I'm going to bring both to a boil. High. And then I'm going to reduce them by half. How do I know half? We're not going to measure it. What we're going to do, we're going to use a what? No, a spatula like this that is flat. Okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to place it inside, and I know it sounds crazy, but where's a pen? Where's a pen?
Yep.
Right. And you're going to do a little marking. I know. So you know it's there. So you know when it gets to half of that, it's done. Okay? It's just a little trick and it really works, and you don't have, you know, I have some students that say, oh, I take it out, I measure it. I say, no, you know, too much.
Too much time.
Yeah, no, and then cleaning and everything. Now, guys, this is not a very good, you see the
Burner.
difference of the heat? Yeah. So I think I'm going to have to change this around.
You don't need to go to the gym when the door goes through.
Oh, it's a very good workout. Believe I worked in restaurants. Thank God I said, okay, I have my training. I am not working in a restaurant. That's it. It is so hard. You need to be in great shape. What am I moving at? You see, I'm moving the wrong one. See, that has to be a sink. Okay, and this one is to be on high. Okay, so this high. So I keep it open, uncovered, high heat, because I want it to boil off. So wait, I have to add the. In the meantime, I have to add the potatoes, right? 4 potatoes. I have to add the potatoes. Where are my potatoes? So let's see how many fit in each. Okay. Now this is great. This is boiling too much. So let's see how many I can get in here. So normally the potatoes would take 10 minutes, okay? So that's why. And normally it would take 10 minutes for my sauce to reduce. So it's a perfect timing of both things that happen at the same time. Okay? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They all have to have a little space. 7. Now put the chorizo on top. Potatoes have to be touching the bottom. Okay, and now let's see what's our timing here. 12 minutes. I have 12 minutes here. Okay. I'm going to have to do it. And then we can take it out. Okay, so now this is boiling too. I'm going to have my potatoes. So, like I say, find space, move the chorizo around. And make sure that each potato has a space at the bottom of the pan.
Are you not supposed to add the potatoes until it's boiling?
No, well, you add them and then you bring it to a boil. And then you bring it to a boil. And then you reduce. And then you reduce it. I think it's in a simmer. We always reduce in a simmer, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7.
Let me know if I get in your way.
Now, the better chorizo you have, the better this recipe is going to be. That's another one. You see? Okay, so it says, in the meantime, no, wait, we're going back. Arrange the 4 potatoes in one layer, add the chorizo, white wine chicken stock. Bring to a boil and cook until the sauce is reduced by half, about 10 minutes, okay? So basically we are going to reduce it in a boil. There. And this one needs a bit more heat. This has to be lower. Yeah, and this is a simmer. Whoa. Steam bath. Get in there. Okay, so this is reducing, we have the 10 minutes going, okay? So this you can do in the morning.
Ya no quieres esta.
No. This you can do in the morning, this you can do ahead of time. Okay? Says, in the meantime, you're gonna rinse the cod, pat it dry, place it on the cutting board, and work with the cod as I showed you before, just whipping down. We need to season each piece with salt and pepper, which I'm gonna do here. And then after the 10 minutes, we're gonna lower the heat to a simmer and add spinach. And again, the recipe calls for 4 ounces, so basically it's 1 ounce per person. It's a little bunch per person. Okay, place a blade of spinach on the top, divide them equally, and then place a piece of cod. Cover and simmer for 12 to 14 minutes or until the fish is done. To check if it's done, the internal temperature should be 130 degrees. Or when pierced, the knife should be, the flesh should be white throughout. Now guys, this is too thin. This is not going to be 12 to 14 minutes. If you get the cod, the big cod that is this thick, and you have 1 slice and you have 6 ounces, yes, it is 12 to 14 minutes. So today is going to be less than that. Okay? So today is going to be less than that. We will check it. I would think more 6 minutes.
And you were doing this in the morning. Did you stop where you were there?
Yes. After these 10 minutes, you stop. You stop, you leave it there.
Leave it room temperature.
Leave it room temperature. Then you come back in the evening, you turn it on, and you put the spinach. You put the spinach. No, first, wait. You turn it on, bring to a boil. Always bring it to a boil to help it start cooking. Go to a simmer, spinach, fish, cover, 12 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes, done. Done. Okay? So, maybe we can start bringing the dishes over there, please.
Only one.
Yeah, bring 1 batch. This does not need to be dry, guys, because it's just a little water of the fish. So, it's not that I'm going to sear it, so I'm not worried about putting bounty in the bottom of the other. Okay.
Are you going to plate it up there?
I think you're going to plate it. Oh, no, I'm going to plate it. Sorry. No, don't do that. No, what did I say? Leave it here. Sorry. This is the more elegant. Where am I?
You're making circles again. Performance art, right?
Anybody want one?
Yes, please.
I'll pass this down.
Let me check my chicken, guys. I think the chicken already has been there for half an hour. See, the potato is almost cooked or cooked. So now, well, I'm going to throw in the rest of my veggies. Then the parsley goes to the finish with this. Should I just throw the water? No. Probably no. Why you are there? Okay, so this needs 7 minutes. Yeah, thank you. Can you do that for me? You know what I'm going to do, guys?